All right.
How you supposed to do this?
I'm not sure.
I think it lays on the side.
I don't know.
Not straight up.
Oh Jesus! It's gonna. Damn. All right, get out of there.
What do you got?
Oh shit! You forgot to close the door.
I got it right.
All right.
Oh, it's gonna be a good one.
Holy shit! That was crazy. That was crazy, man. Yeah. Oh my God, that was nuts.
We need a